We're here in Eindhoven and I've got Daniel to take a PyGo apart. So Daniel, tell us what have you managed to stuff inside the little device?
Hi everyone. So here you can see the PyGo is stuffed with components on both sides. Let's start with this one here, where we have the ESP32 connected to the SX1272 from Semtech. We see antenna connectors. One here is for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. This other one for LoRa. There are crystals and capacitors and all passive components surrounding these chips. This interesting piece right here is the flex connector for the OLED, which I'm gonna flip so we can see it. Then if we go to the other side, we have memories, RAM and flash for the ESP32, battery management, wireless power receiver as well. This other flex connector is for the capacitive touch pins of the LCD, and this system in package has the GPS and LTE capabilities, and this is the antenna connected to it, the antenna connector. So yeah, as you can see, there's literally space for nothing else on this board.
Brilliant.